In today's episode, I will show you how to cook Rassolnik. This is a very old Russian traditional soup recipe that is served in many Slavic countries. Three pickles diced into small cubes, about 150 grams. 1 medium carrot, thinly sliced, about 100 grams. 2 large garlic cloves, 40 gram barley, 500 grams lean beef chunks, 1 medium carrot grated on the small grater, 2 parsley roots largely grated, about 100 grams, 1 large finely diced onion, that would be about 100 grams, cut 3 potatoes weighing about 400 grams into half centimeter slices or into cubes if you like, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, sour cream, fresh dill, 2 bay leaves. To begin this recipe, we will start by soaking the barley into water for 2 hours. This will help us cook the barley more quicker, avoiding to overcook other ingredients because of the hard grains. The next step requires to add 3-liter water in a large pot and the beef chunks, letting them slowly cook for about 30 minutes or until the meat is tender. To obtain a clearer soup in the end, remove the foam that is formed on top from time to time. Take a pan and add grated parsley and carrot, diced onion, 40 ml vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and sauté the vegetables until tender and the onion is translucent. For the next step, put 20 ml vegetable oil in a pan together with the small diced pickles and tomato paste. Then mix it all together and sauté it for 3 minutes. When the tomato paste has dried a bit, add a tablespoon or 2 with water from the beef pot and cook it for another 2 minutes. When the beef is cooked, take it out and cut it into smaller cubes. Then add 1 teaspoon salt, barley, beef cubes, and carrot slices, letting everything cook for 8 minutes on medium heat. Now add the sliced potatoes together with the sautéed vegetables in the pot. Press the 2 garlic cloves and toss in 2 bay leaves for extra flavor. Then add more salt and some pepper if you wish, then cook everything until all vegetables are soft and tender. This last step should take about 15 to 20 minutes. When everything is cooked, add some sour cream or vinegar and fresh chopped dill to give the soup an extra fresh sour kick.